This is John with Alpine Motors, and this is a 2022 AMG G63. These things are already one of the baddest cars on the road, but this car has a $100,000 Vorsteiner carbon fiber body kit on it that just takes it to another level. Let's check it out. When we thought about G-Wagons in the past, we think about military vehicles, we think about the Pope Mobile. These cars have a place in history and culture. They truly resonate strength of a tank or a vehicle that is built for purpose, like military vehicle, but at the same time have this incredible appeal as an urban vehicle that somebody can drive every day. When we first got this car in, I didn't know what to think. It really was an experience of discovery. We very quickly learned that not only is this a fantastic car to drive, but it is incredibly comfortable and amazingly well engineered. We're going to take a look at all the features on it, but the very first thing I'd like to talk about is the color, which is basically a satin green. It is stunning. When you combine that with the carbon fiber body kit from Vorsteiner, this really creates a whole new effect to the vehicle. It widens it, gives it a little more girth, a little bit of a stronger feel, and then you put these 24-inch wheels on it that combine this incredible brushed aluminum center with a polished ring, and it really works. Of course, the front end is all carbon fiber to match the carbon fiber hood. We have carbon fiber accents on the front bumper, as well as this front spoiler that's carbon fiber. And the design of the kit really works with the vehicle. From the front to the back, every single part of this carbon fiber kit really works well. You'll notice the builder actually covered all of the front end in PPF, and the fenders are done in a satin PPF, but all of the vanes were left in a gloss. This creates a nice offset between the body and these great vents. The same thing on the hood gives it a really nice, very aggressive but clean look. We've got clear turn signals on the side, or running lights, and then of course the AMG badging and the beautiful V8 twin turbo logo. This motor is a 4-liter twin turbo V8. It's a handmade AMG motor. It is incredible to drive. With 570 horsepower, it moves this thing around, and it does not feel like a G-Wagon. It feels like a performance vehicle. Of course, the mirrors work terrific. You've got great line of sight out of the mirrors, and the interior is beautiful. It's all black leather interior with Alcantara inserts. You have these silver accents on everything, and the carbon fiber. The carbon fiber on the outside carries to the inside. You have carbon fiber trim on the doors, in the center console, the grab handle, all throughout the car. The dash, it truly makes it just adds a little extra to the interior and makes this thing just as classy as it is rugged. Of course, you've got the great Mercedes-Benz carpeting, the Alcantara headliner, and then in the back it carries that same appeal. So we have the black leather again on the inside, as well as the silver accents, and then the carbon fiber. When you're riding in the back of this vehicle, it is so nice and comfortable. There's a lot of room in these AMG G-Wagons, and it makes it very nice for your passengers in the back. The seating arrangement, the ability to lay those seats back, it is very comfortable. Of course, the carbon fiber carries through the back, and then the rear diffuser has a nice design that once again accentuates the body line of the G-Wagon. The spoiler on top, this is one of the things I absolutely love about the Vorsteiner kit. You get this great upper spoiler. It has a really nice dimension to it, so it fits with the size of the back of the vehicle, but it looks really good. It works perfectly with the body line. And then it's finished off with the spare tire carrier that also has a carbon fiber finish. When we look in the trunk compartment, there is plenty of room for all of your packages, anything you might be hauling, and then still room for your passengers to be comfortable. The inside of the door is finished with a black leather and the same stitching as the seats, and then you have that great Mercedes-Benz carpet on the floor. You'll notice there are these satin silver accents on the rear bumper. Just kind of breaks it up a little bit, makes it look really good, but that works really well with the wheels. So when we were talking about these 24-inch wheels, you'll notice you don't see any lug nuts on these wheels. They're a very smooth profile. There's just something about this satin finish with the satin carbon and then this wheel package that works so well. You've got this terrific brushed wheel, you have this barrel that's polished, and then of course these centers are weighted, so as you're driving they stay horizontal with the horizon. Very, very cool. You've got side exhaust and these beautiful side running boards. When I first saw the side exhaust, I was worried that a quad exhaust like this would be too noisy, it would drone, it wouldn't have a good tone to it. That is not the case. This car has a wonderful tone, and the inside is so solid that you don't really notice it. But when you put it in Sport Plus, it really tells you it's an AMG, and you can hear it. It sounds wicked. And for a G-Wagon to have a sound like that, that's when you know you're driving something special. On the interior, one thing I want to share with you guys, it has this LED piping system in it. So there's LEDs inside the door handles, down the center console, in the dash, all throughout the vehicle, including the vents. At night, this creates a very comfortable, very nice environment for driving. When you combine that with the massaging seats and the climate controls in this vehicle, it's very cool. AMG gives you plenty of controls, so you have paddle shifters on the steering wheel, you have full controls for everything, and then you have these great controls here that allow you to change all of your settings and then also change your mode. You can also do that from the center console, the heads-up display. They give you a lot of options on how to control this vehicle. When we walk around and we wrap this up, there is just something about the G-Wagon that truly sets it apart from all other SUVs. When you drive this vehicle, you truly know you're driving something different because it does not feel like your average SUV. This one with the wide body kit is even better. It has kind of a track feel to it, but it is so comfortable. When you put it in sport mode, it firms up, you get a little tighter shifting points, the turbos spool up faster, and it is a riot to drive. These G-Wagons are the perfect balance between an urban vehicle that can be driven anywhere and something that you could go to the grocery store to get groceries in or go to a car show and people appreciate you have something different here. Let's take a quick look at the engine. I want to show you guys this beautiful twin turbo V8. One of my favorite parts of this car, and just like everything, I absolutely love the engine. So you can see everything is very well dressed out. AMG does a great job of putting their logo front and center. Of course, the signature of the builder who hand built this motor. But then you'll also notice all of the areas where wind or noise could be coming into the vehicle, they are all isolated, so you don't get wind noise in this vehicle and you don't get any rattles or any sounds that are unusual. Everything is solid and comfortable and quiet. Of course, that's what G-Wagons are known for. The military loves them because of their strength. People love them because they're so reliable. You'll love it because it's a lot of fun to drive and it is incredibly comfortable. So this is a 2022 G-Wagon. It's for sale on Bring a Trailer. The auction starts in about 2 weeks. So definitely follow us, check this thing out. Let us know if you have any questions. We're Alpine Motors. It's been a pleasure to bring you this amazing 2022 AMG G-Wagon.